Chapter 2, System Analysis, Part 10. In this part we going to focus on the system analysis which lies in Chapter 2 after the introduction in Chapter 1. The introduction was discussed in Part 9 of this video series in this channel. If you missed, check it up. The system analysis is broken down into three major sections which we shall look at independently, and these sections are problem recognition and definition, also known as problem analysis, existing system which encompass overview and system structure, and lastly proposed system which entails objectives, scope, benefits and feasibility. System analysis is the process of understanding the requirements of a system in order to develop or enhance it. It involves gathering comprehensive data about the existing system, analyzing user needs and goals, and mapping out the system architecture. This analysis helps identify any technical issues in the current state of the system, any usability issues pertaining to users, any improvements needed to be made, and finally to create a solution that meets all requirements. The main aim of system analysis is to discover and specify what data the new system will deal with, what kind of changes, transformation, this data will undergo through computer or manual processing, what output it will produce, and the procedures that have to be organized to that end. The analysis aims at producing a detailed description of the function of the new system, its boundaries, the data transformations within it and its interrelations with other systems and the environment in which it operates. In this section of system analysis, analyze, describe the existing manual system. Show clearly what you think are the problems of the current system that may limit the efficient working of the company or organization. How did you identify these problems? Show the method of fact gathering, detailed system analysis or information gathering, that you used, e.g., document review, interview, questionnaires, observation, etc. Where possible, put a sample or a blank questionnaire or interview form. Explain in detail your objective, i.e., what you wanted to fulfill. Talk about the benefits expected, limitations of the current system, feasibility, operational feasibility, schedule feasibility, technical feasibility, economic feasibility. It is important to note that system analysis carries a maximum of 10 marks. Broken intro 3 sections: problem definition, existing system and proposed system, awarded as follows. 1. Problem definition, maximum mark, awarded 1 mark. 2. Existing system, broken down into 2 and awarded marks as follows. Overview of the existing system, maximum mark, awarded 1 mark. Existing system structure, maximum mark, awarded 1 mark. 3. The proposed system, broken down into 4 and awarded mark as follows. Objectives of proposed system, 1 mark. Scope of the proposed system, 1 mark. Benefits of the proposed system, 2 marks. Feasibility study of the proposed system, 3 marks. In addition, it's imperative to have an introductory statement at the beginning of each chapter and section. This is to introduce the reader to what is expected in that chapter. Therefore, we going to look at the introductory comments of system analysis to introduce this chapter and what is expected in this section. Thereafter, the subsections of this part of system analysis will be discussed independently in their respective order. Sample 1. Introductory comments on system analysis. After going through the preliminary investigation of the manual Maringo Sports Club system, my objective was to analyze the need for a computerized Maringo Sports Club system by defining the problem in the existing manual system, gathering requirements, identifying goals, defining the scope and determine the benefits of the proposed computerized system to help continue in developing the project. Sample 2. Introductory comments on system analysis. Developing computerized Maringo Sports Club system started with undertaking a preliminary investigation. The objective of this chapter is to help us understand problems in the existing manual system, understand the overview and structure of the existing system so as to determine the objectives of the proposed computerized Maringo Sports Club system, its scope and benefits of introducing a computerized system. Sample 3. Introductory comments on system analysis. For the development of a computerized Maringo Sports Club, The first step in system analysis I did was to initiate assessment of the current manual system. This assisted me in gaining an understanding of who are involved with the organization, e.g., staff members, patron and team captains, what resources currently exist, e.g., physical space and equipment capabilities of the proposed computerized Maringo Sports Club systems, e.g., performance analytics, and potential areas for improvement, e.g., cumbersome manual registration process. Sample 4. Introductory comments on system analysis. From the current manual Maringo Sports Club management system, the problem is to replace the inefficient manual operations with an efficient computerized system. To help me answer the following questions. 1. What are the shortcomings of the current system? 2. What types of registration records are used for individual and group teams in the club? 3. What procedure is followed to register or replacing for lost or damaged club items? 4. How is discount on items bought, fees charged on damaged or lost equipment, patrons' commission calculated? I had to undertake a preliminary investigation process of the current manual Maringo Sports Club system. The end. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for part 11 on problem recognition and definition of Maringo Sports Club system. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if the video was helpful to get notifications once we upload more videos on Maringo Sports Club.